Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix guided access not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have turned off guided access and turn it on again. If your guided access triple click is not working, the first method probably is not applicable in your situation. In this case, you need head to setting accessibility, then you have open the setting and then you have click on accessibility and then you have scroll up, then you have click on guided access, toggle off guided access and toggle it on again. So then you have while using is not working, turn on and turn off, then turn on again. Then second solution, you have restart your iPhone. The next solution is to soft reset your iPhone. The procedure is also known as a forced restart. There are a couple of reasons where restarting your smartphone fixes most problem, making it a go-to solution for technical issues like this. So then you have press the volume up, volume down, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. Third solution, you have updated your iPhone. iOS updates often come with bug fixes and performance improvements. Therefore, you can resolve your iPhone's guided access problem by ensuring that you have updated your iOS to the latest version. So then you have open the setting and then you have click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, must be installed on your iPhone. Then last solution, you have reset all setting on your iPhone. If your guided access iPhone is still not working, the last solution you can try is to reset all setting on your iPhone. Go to the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting, and the preset restores all setting on your iPhone to the default state. As long as you follow the above instruction carefully and then tap correct buttons, reset issue, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.